Hey Josh, how's it going? This is the fourth task from your latest message that you needed uh, to know when the revenue would be reached for some month. That is, according to this conditional formatting, it's reaching at June 2025. I This is the initial value. I still have to clean up this data and double check the values over here. So let me just start by explaining what's going on over here, then you can let me know what you think about this. So starting off, you mentioned that you needed some growth rate value, right? 5% it is, let's say it's 5%. So with this growth rate, what I'm doing over here is this is the cumulative revenue from the previous month. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my formula. That is, it will take this cumulative revenue and then add a 5% increment over here, 1 plus this monthly growth rate, which is 5%. So it's actually like 105%. So yeah, that's like how it's working in percentages. Anyways, the formula continues downwards, and yeah, with this data that is known, you will have to fill up these values. I think you will have to fill up only these values, monthly revenue over here. These should be known values that you will add them manually, and this monthly YTD revenue would be calculated from monthly revenue, and then with this growth rate it will be calculated from using these two columns, monthly growth rate and cumulative YTD revenue. So now moving on to forecasting. This is the data table. From it I have added a conditional formatting over here. I still have to double check over here and fix some values. What it does is conditional formatting over here. When the value reaches this annual goal 3.2 million over here, it will highlight as green. Then you can cross check it according to the month, so you know you will be reaching, you are expected to reach in June 2025 about your annual goal. um, yeah, okay, so this is one takes follows a linear projection and a linear formatting. This is a different kind of formatting, and this is a seasonal kind of formatting. So let's say you have 4 seasons and your revenue changes according to the seasons, so this formula calculates according to that. And this is the 95% confidence. You can change the 95% confidence to, let's say, 90% or 99%. It will give some values, and to for the upper bound that you are 95% sure, for the upper bound of it, you will add these values, this seasonal value with this 95% confidence value, and for its lower boundary you're going to just subtract it. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. I can make a chart from it too, but let me just explain another thing from it. This is I have calculated using formulas over here, and this is also another method that is using a forecasting sheet. What it's doing over here is, this blue line is the values that we do know. um, with growth rate, it's taking the values from with growth rate from this column over here, right? And then it will give a continuous trajectory over here for the coming months. Let's I have forecasted it for December 2025. This is its upper boundary, this is its lower boundary, and if the pattern continues without anything, so this is the central line over here. So your revenue is expected to lie somewhere in this upper boundary and lower boundary. And with this, I am still blanking out on how to add a custom line over here at 3.2 million. You can this is one of the formula I could think of, right? Like I would go ahead and add a shape. Let's say I'm adding a shape over here at, suppose this is a 3.2 million. So if with this line formatted to something like this, when this line is touching over here with where the where these lines cross each other. Like for this upper boundary, it's over here somewhere in May 2025. For the lower boundary, it's somewhere in June 2025. I will have to rethink this line over here, but that's what I have so far. Let me know if this sounds like something that's um, somewhere like we are on the right track. So yeah, just let me know. Take care.